Imagine turning everyday moments into powerful learning experiences for your child. You don't need to be a maths expert to make a big impact. Start by counting objects around the house. Encourage your child to point to each item, grouping them into tens for numbers over 10. This simple activity builds a strong foundation in number sense. Dice games can make learning addition and subtraction fun. Gather some objects, roll the dice, and use the objects to add or subtract practically. It's a playful way to understand numbers. Use your child's favorite toys to explore fractions. Ask them to split their toys into equal groups to understand halves and quarters. This hands-on approach makes fractions relatable. In year 1, children will work with numbers up to 100, counting in steps of 2, 5, or 10. They'll learn to read and write numerals and number names, and find one more or one less than any number. Addition and subtraction become second nature as children use number bonds to 10 and 20, and solve simple problems with objects and drawings. They'll even tackle missing number problems. Multiplication and division are introduced through counting in steps and using objects to solve problems. Children begin to see the relationship between these operations, making maths more intuitive. Understanding fractions means recognizing halves and quarters of objects and quantities. Children learn that halving is dividing by 2, and finding a quarter is dividing by 4. Geometry lessons help children identify 2D and 3D shapes, and describe positions and movements. They'll recognize circles, triangles, cubes, and more, using mathematical vocabulary. Measurement skills are developed by comparing lengths, weights, and capacities, and telling time to the hour and half hour. Children also learn the value of different coins and notes. Empower your child with these simple, everyday activities. Turn learning into a fun and engaging part of your daily routine. Keep exploring, keep learning.